Hey there, this is Ben Bishop with Advanced Tactical Imports in Huntsville, Alabama, and we're going to do a small, low-tech reliability test with one of our tactical shotguns. This is the LionX6 model. It's got a Monte Carlo type stock, chrome-plated bolt, Picatinny rail. It's got a heat shield, fiber optic sight, and a compensator barrel attachment. It's called the LionX6. This is our test gun. We've already, this is the first sample we pulled, and we've already fired several different types of rounds through this. But today we're going to test it with a mixture of 3-inch magnum. It's 1 1/8 shot, number 2, 3-inch magnum at 1,550 feet per second, Winchester, and the Federal heavy game load, number 5 shot, 1 1/4 at let's see here, 2 3/4 inch, at 1,220 feet per second. Anyway, let me put my eyes on and my ears. Alright, this is the LionX6 Tactical. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's operating pretty good here. 3-inch, 2 3/4, 3-inch, 2 3/4, 2 3/4. One more. It's operating good. It's cycling the 3-inch magnum and 2 3/4 back to back. Let's shoot a few more through here just to be sure. Staggered. That's it. Alright, let's do one more round. Everything's tight. One. I think that's it. Yeah. These are made in Turkey by Derya Arms Industry, and this is the first time we've carried these, first time we've imported them, and they seem to be high quality shotguns. They're working really good with all of our tests. Here's a rapid fire. Pretty good. LionX6. Advanced Tactical Imports, made by Derya Arms International. Thank you.